Did you know that user of the buildings, the personnel of Tamedia, name the building Alpenschale?
Alpenschale. Ah, that's a good name.
That's like a mountain cabin we have here in the mountains. And I think this is a very tender, lovely description of your building.
Yes.
Do you think, also today you met many people, do you think people love your building?
Yeah, as long as I have met people, they really gave me good comments. They feel very comfortable. Yes. So, Alpenschale is a good name.
Okay.
Because originally I want to design the working space like your living room or your mountain house.
You are also famous for temporary buildings, which are constructed for a limited time period.
Actually, they are not temporary building. It's started with temporary building, but many of them become permanent building.
So you don't make a difference between temporary or long-term building?
No. Even the building made in concrete, they are very temporary. If the building was made to make money, it's a temporary building. Like a commercial center, shopping center, if you buy other developer to build something, they destroy the building to put new one. So if building was to make money, it's very temporary, even in concrete. If building was loved by people, even made in paper, this can be permanent. Like a church I built as a temporary in the beginning in Kobe after the earthquake in 1995. It was there 10 years. It was expected for only 3 years, but because people loved it, they kept it for 10 years. Then they donated to another disaster area in Taiwan as a permanent church. So there's no difference between temporary and permanent. But I must say many of the commercial building is temporary, made even in concrete.
This brings me to another question about the big word, sustainability.
I don't use this word. I'm not. I started making building out of recycled paper tube, 1986, when nobody was talking about recycling or sustainability or ecology, because I just didn't want to waste material. Then this big the movement came, and it's become very commercial. And nobody really knows the real definition of this sustainability. So I never use this as a part of my design concept.
What did you learn by building and constructing this building?
Maybe it's less things as learned because it's so smoothly done. And the result was almost as I expected from the beginning. Not so many changes. So I think this is not learning process, but the accumulation of my previous experience with Swiss engineers, Swiss contractors. And when I designed some Pompidou mess, there are more things to do because everything was really fight and the new process was changing. So this was quite smooth project.